Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, everyone. I apologize about that too well. So I'm just going to basically go over what is going on right now, kind of like a live stream Q&A here. So starting with what's going on currently, as you can see, bomb cyclone continuing up the northeast here with a lot of snow, and I mean a lot of snow. I will go over reports here in a minute. So as you can see, like I said, from up here in Maine all the way down into New York, New Jersey, uh, Delaware, all that, a lot of snow. Currently, there are 17 winter storm warnings, 6 blizzard warnings. And we even have some snow up here, some lake effect, Indiana. So, but that's not exactly that's just all light snow back in here. The reports I've seen, there's that's just all light snow back in here. The reports I apologize. I was checking to make sure something was working properly. Yeah, let's go through all the has cams and all this stuff, and we'll check out some pictures and all that good stuff here. All y'all mode on weather-wise. This is a pretty cool feature to have. I believe it's only like I don't remember how much it is. I want to say $6 or $7.99. Um, but you can check out all the snow reports that people send in. So I always thought it was pretty cool to have. It's definitely worth it. Weather-wise, it's definitely. Listen to my stupid. We'll start here in Hartford, Connecticut. I apologize for the delays, everyone. My weather app is acting funny now, and it's usually always something. I don't know. Let's try refreshing it and see maybe if that just helps it. Again, I was going to do a live video or went to do a weather forecast, had a lot of technical with sound, so I just decided to go live instead. Okay, so we'll start here with Boston. Is it going to let me? A lot of freaking lag today. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a different site real quick. Just give me a second to get this loaded in, and I'll bring it back to you guys. So I don't really care for all that lagging stuff. All right. I know this is probably all stuff I should have looked into last night before I got back into this, but I didn't figure I would have any issues. Okay. I I apologize for all that craziness there. I wasn't expecting all that to happen. So we'll go full screen here. So getting back into it here. As you can see, just a lot of snow, a lot of reports here throughout the area. Um, for places. Hmm. Okay, so right here, they're reporting 12 inches of snow. Let's see, let's go back here further onto the island. Garden City, New York. They got 11 40 minutes ago. This is still lagging like crazy. Hang on just a second. I have no idea why everything is lagging so much. Those, as of right now, this is so. Well, maybe if I turn some of this stuff off, it'll quit lagging so much. Yeah, this is on the WeatherWise app. This is a great app here. Like I said, it put this in motion here. Winter storm warnings, blizzard warnings still currently in effect. For a lot of the Northeast there. Nothing can seem to work right now. All right, go back over to this one then, I guess. Okay, everyone. I think I may have got it now. Sure as heck hope. Okay, so, here's what's going on currently. Sorry, everyone, but I had to blow my nose. Okay. I think I may have finally got it. About time, huh? Okay, so yeah, just going through. There's a lot going on here. Um, as you can see, a lot of snow from up here in the far up here in Maine, all the way down into even past Atlantic City, down here into Delaware. I was gonna go over some of the weather totals, but it's not letting me currently at the moment. Let's see maybe if we can do some live cam without it acting a fool here. At I-278 and 15th Street here in New York, as you can see, snow and everybody traveling. I wouldn't be out on these roads if I didn't have to be, which is what I really suggest for everyone, to be honest. Let's go up here to Manhattan. This is at West Street and West 57th Street. There in Manhattan, New York. You can see the snow. You got to look hard, but it's definitely snowing. Not very many cars outside right now. It looks like there's public transportation up here in the Bronx. This is at I-95 and Marmion Avenue. You can't even see. Conditions look to be so bad there. Delays over here at LaGuardia. Let's check out Queens real quick before we go there. This is at 907M and 76th Road. A lot of craziness going on there. Looks like the roads are clear, at least. See if we got any cameras over here by JFK International. Doesn't look like we do. Okay, so moving on. We'll go out of New York. Let's check out one more place before we do. Let's see what Staten Island is looking like here. This is at I-278 and Bradley Avenue. And it's not going to load my stream. That's fine. I-278 in Richmond. Yeah, looks like it's glazed over on the cameras there, so we won't be able to see that. Okay, we're going up to, I don't have very many cameras here in the Northeast. I think it stops right around New York. So we'll check out Albany here. This is I-90 between exits 10 and 9. A lot of, looks like you can still see some snowfall if you look close there. Let's see what the camera in Whitehall Township, PA, Allentown, is looking like. You can't really see much. You can see a bunch of snow there, but that's about it. Okay, let's get down here to Salisbury, Delaware. This is US 50 west of Salisbury. No, nothing available. Okay, well, it happens sometimes. Okay, but yeah, that's currently what's going on here for my people here in Ohio, which is only one person on. So let's go to Springfield. This is I-70 and State Route 72 at Limestone Street. Light snow there. This is down in Lebanon, I-71 at Jeremiah Mortgage. Doesn't look like we're really seeing much snow. If it is, it's extremely light there. Go down here. Let's see what's going on in Moorhead, Kentucky. Doesn't look like too much is going on there. Okay, we'll go back into Huntington, West Virginia. This is US 52 at State Route 7. Doesn't look like much going on there as well. Okay, so maybe now we can check out some of the snowfall totals, or snowfall reports, I mean. Okay, so we'll start here with central Indiana. This is just west of Indianapolis. They're reporting 4/10 of an inch there, west of Indianapolis. An inch there in northeast Columbus reported. Go over here to New Philadelphia in eastern Ohio. 1/10 of an inch there. Just north of Pittsburgh. We got 1/2 inch there. All right, now we'll start with the north and work our way down south. Let's go Dover. We got 3.5 inches there. Manchester, we got 2.5 there. Boston's got 8 inches. Here in Rhode Island, we got several reports. Start with right here in Pawtucket. 22 inches there in Pawtucket. "25 inches in Newport, Rhode Island." My gosh, has a ton of snow. Let's see what it's 11 inches in New Bedford. Let's keep going. Let's check out some of the totals here in Connecticut. This one right here south of Middletown, they got 10 inches. 16 inches there in Cheshire. That's a ton of snow. That's almost 2 foot. Yeah, that's a lot, man. Keep scanning back here. "11 inches there in New Bedford, New York, or Hempstead, New York, excuse me. 24 inches in Brookhaven, New York. Wow, 2 foot. 2 feet of snow. We currently still have 17 winter storm warnings and 6 blizzards going on. And this will continue throughout the day, I'm pretty sure of it. So let's go with some of the totals here. Asbury Park, there in New Jersey, they've got 16 inches. Manchester Township, 18 inches in New Jersey. Haddon Township, 9 inches. "16 inches near Atlantic City." Let's go over here to Baltimore. 2 inches here in Baltimore. Strongsville, Ohio, I got 6 inches. So that's really what's just going on currently. Those are some of the reports. If I didn't get to your city, well, I was just trying to cover as much as I could here. We'll turn this back off. Check out some of the temperatures here for some of these areas. Looks like we got upper 20s. I'm seeing some upper 30s here near Washington, D.C., back into Virginia. Lower 30s, upper 20s, and lower 30s. Teens in upper 20s up here in Maine. Okay, while I'm at it, well, might as well make this a forecast as well. Turn these retards off. So let's check out what's going to happen for the rest of the day, what to expect here. Okay, so according to the DHRRR model, this is as of around right now. As you can see, this is still swirling and affecting the East Coast here and the very edges of the East Coast. Moving it forward, this is as of 4 o'clock this afternoon. Not much has changed, still dropping a ton of snow, and will continue to go out throughout the day. It'll eventually move out of the area around 9 o'clock this evening, where we will be expecting some more snow tomorrow, but this will be across places like Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Northern Ohio, and Indiana, and into Pennsylvania. I can go ahead and show you the long term here because the HRRR only goes out so far. Give this a minute to load or so. Okay, so as you can see, this is as of 9 o'clock this morning. As we go through the day today, it's going to keep doing its thing. And eventually, we'll push out of here until around 9 o'clock this evening. And then if we zoom out here, you can see another bit of snow coming from from Canada, bringing in some more cold air. As I said, it will push into upper peninsula of Michigan, northern Ohio, where it could create some lake effect snow, and will then eventually push into New York, Pennsylvania, as it pushes off the coast there into the waters. I am expecting, however, some heavy bands of snow here from around Pittsburgh into just north of central Ohio. That's the Delaware area there. So if you're anywhere in this area here, you could see a little bit heavier snow at times tomorrow. Some rain down here in Kentucky, West Virginia, into Charleston and Beckley, and then push away here. And then as for 2 days from now, which would be Wednesday, we keep going through. This is going to bring us a little bit more snow there into central Illinois. Some rain down here in from around St. Louis all the way down into the southern part or the northern half of Florida. We could see some more snow on Thursday there. And as we keep pushing through Thursday here, a possibility of some rain and storms down here in Kentucky, Tennessee, Georgia, into Virginia, North and South Carolina. We can see some rain. Maryland, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New Jersey may see some more snow through that. That'll push through into Friday. So to go over everything, and as you can see, this is for what to expect for today. The purple here, where we could see up to enhanced risk, so it's moderate impact. We can see at 2 to 3 inches per hour hurricane force wind gusts for today. And we can see, and we'll see scattered snow behind it in New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio for tomorrow. Chance for pop-up showers here anywhere in this kind of light blue, this darker blue here in the northern peninsula of Wisconsin and Pennsylvania is a slight risk, minor impacts. This is for tomorrow. This is what I was talking about. So this, see a ½ inch to an inch per hour across Minnesota, and then it'll accelerate eastward. And as we go, it goes into Michigan and northern lower Michigan by the afternoon. 2 to 5 inches expected. Could see more localized. So anyway, you could see anywhere from, let's say, 5 to 8 inches there. The Appalachian Mountains in the Northeast. You guys could see an additional 8 to 12 inches. And then this will all push away and dissipate. By day 3, which is Friday, we just have that one risk there in Pennsylvania, where it is a slight minor risk. This is a couple days from now, so this could change, but they're saying you could get anywhere from an additional 1 to 3 inches upon that. I will have a forecast again tomorrow, so stay tuned to the channel for more, and I will be right back, everyone. everyone. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I will have another update video later on this afternoon. So stay tuned to the channel.